You can also create docs, slides, or sheets and share with other people inside of Google Chats. So for that, first of all, you need to be in a group chat. Otherwise, it won't work. So if you're on a regular chat and if you were to click on the plus button, you only see Drive file and calendar invite. But if you're on a group chat, you can go around over here and click on the plus button, and over here you can see that you can create and share a Google Docs file, a Google Slides, or a Google Sheets file right here. So if I were to click on this, what happens is that you have to name your document right here and click on share. And once you do that, what happens is that a document is being created, as you can see, and it is stored on your Google Drive. And you can see that the document opens up on the side over here. You can see the share link over here. You can see the share link is there. And now the document opens in the side, as you can see. So all of the people in the group will be able to access this Google Doc itself and then start editing in this. So you can do the same with Google Slide as well. So I'm just going to go around and type in test right here and click on share. So what happens is that it creates a Google Slide right here and opens that out on the side over here, as you can see as well. You can also open the slide in new tab by clicking on this, or you can close out the slide by clicking on the cross button over here. You can also do the same with Google Sheets, as you can see right here. So you can click on share, and what happens is that that file gets shared out with other people just like this. The link is shared out and you can work around with this. You can click on open in a new tab, and what happens is that it opens out the sheets in a new tab, the same file that you see right here. And that is how you can create out new docs, slides, or sheets inside of Google Chat directly and share it with other group members in a group chat. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.